What's going on, Trench Dogs? We back. All I wanted to show y'all was the pups getting their shots, getting them ready. They ready to go. So I'm gonna show y'all everything step by step. First thing is, when you go to the vet, they got the DTP, or otherly known as 5-in-1. It's the canine death smear, that's the DTP, and the influenza virus and parainfluenza virus vaccine. So, just so y'all can see that. So what you're gonna do is, oh yeah, and I noticed this on the back, because I always save the little stickies, I'll show you, but it has the date. Let me see if you can see that. So you can see it's valid. I'm gonna show you what comes with it. You're gonna get your syringe. You're gonna open the top like that. You're gonna push it through. Just so you have this. Then you're gonna have the saline the saline liquid that go in it, and then you have the actual medicine itself. As you can see, the date on it. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take the top out. You're gonna poke the hole. You see the little hole? Right in the center. And you're gonna draw back. Then you're gonna take it's another little hole. You're gonna stick it right in the center. And once you stick it in the center, it's gonna pull right down on its own. You see? Now, what I do is I swirl it around like that, because I don't want you don't want any bubbles when you drawing. So as you can see, no bubbles, and it's all diluted in. You ain't gotta shake it and be all, no, you ain't gotta do all that. If you can see on the sides, they have little slits in it. Now, when I get it in there, I get it in one of those slits, so that when I draw, I can draw every little bit that's in here. You see? Yes, you see a little bit of bubbles at the top, but I'm about to show you. There you go. There you go. Then, you just pull it out just so you get it. I like to get a little bit to come out. See that? That's that sud. There you go. No more sud. I got 4 puppies to do, but I'm about to show you one. Because I'm going to show you, I want you to see where you stick them at. You turn the puppy, I'm showing you off of the camera, but you grab 2 fingers and you lift up. Oh wait, excuse me. I gotta do it the right way just so I can show you. So you're doing just like that. You just these 2. Back of the neck, just like that. See how I got my thumb? When you lift up, your thumb is gonna show you this area right here. You're gonna stick them in there. And once you stick them in there, let me show, I'm gonna do it with this one. Boom. Once you stick them, you're gonna rub it in. Sometimes a little knot builds up. That just because you injected it. But there's no knot on her. But I still rub it in just so that medicine like gets all in. That's why also why I rub it in. But that's everything. I just wanted to show y'all which one, you know, how to do it, what the medicine look like. But, oh, another thing. You can peel this tab off. And it tell you the date that you did it. And to tell you the medicine they sent it. So when you getting it from a breeder, or let's just say when you getting it from Trench, we're gonna give you a vaccination paper that has what vaccinations they get throughout their lifetime. Then on the back, I peel these little tabs off, just like so. Peel it right off, and I put that on the back of it, so that's my proof that I gave them the vaccination shot every set time. They're about 6 weeks, 8 weeks, no, 6, 7 weeks, something like that. And I'm just now getting them because I ordered them. When I figure a good one to order from, I'll put it in the description for everybody. To learn where I shop to get the shots, but I didn't get this from the vet. But they have it at your local Tractor Supply, and your vet will give it to you. But like I said, it's a simple 5-in-1 Spectra, and when they get to a year, I'll give them the 10-in-1. Or in the vet, they call them a booster shot. So, like I said, you can do it yourself. It's not that big of a deal. It's not that hard. But y'all stay tuned for the next one, man. There's still more to come.